All right, here in the Smoky Mountains with whom I call the professor. He's like the wise gentleman with the pipe smoking, and I consider him a very responsible person. So I'm going to open up the forum here and just tell us, up to now, what are your thoughts on the Hoka Hey? You're in the Smoky Mountains. Just share what's running through the top of your mind there.
Well, in general, this Hoka Hey run, compared to the other that I did, I can't imagine a more technically challenging ride. And we've had very, very good weather and very, very good luck with it. Bad weather would have compounded that to a degree that I don't even really want to imagine. But I also find it very easy in a way. I'm very relaxed about it. Although it is technically challenging, I've just sort of taken as it comes. And some of these roads and some of these places, I've been to many of them and experienced them in a little bit of a different way. Some are familiar, a lot of it has been unfamiliar, and I'm really grateful for that. For example, I've never been on this highway that, I don't know how to say it, Cherokee or something highway.
It's in the Cherokee National Park.
Yeah, and I've never been here except to ride the Dragon, and this road probably in and of itself, I'd say so far is a highlight of the trip for me. I mean, it's absolutely beautiful, and it's a very scenic road, and it's a very fun road to drive. It's not terribly challenging, but it is very fulfilling.
So, do you think you would have ever ridden this road?
I didn't know about it. Yeah, I mean, I didn't know a lot of these places that we've been. Like, I didn't know about them necessarily. I mean, I love maps and I look at maps, but they don't really give you a good sense, of what's really there. And you might look at a place like a lot of people have ridden the Tail, for example, the Tail of Dragon. And you might look at that and you go, I've been to that area. There's not much there. But, you get here and you're forced to go through
the secret corners.
Yeah, and you find out that there's a whole lot more than what you experienced the last time you were here.
So of all the places that you visited, of course, on the Hoka Hey, we go by pretty fast. We experience certain roads and we enjoy it. What called out the most to your interest to want to go back and say, hey, I want to spend a week in this area? Is there any specific or something that rises to the top like cream?
Well, I got a chance to do that on this trip in Gunnison National Forest, and that's a
Gosha.
Gunnison.
Oh, New York.
Colorado. And that's a place. Yeah, in the Rockies.
And that's right.
That's a place. It's a place that I had been before, and I have a lot of fond memories there, and I got to visit it again. And it's a very challenging place to ride, but it's also it's substantially fulfilling there. So I actually got to do that, very thing. But if I had to think so far, I don't. It's so hard to choose because each place has its own charm, and this one in particular is really, really nice so far. And we just started it, and I'm already in love with it.
Well, all right, man. Thank you.